it's time to cloud up. Let's test your Azure Serverless skills. Question 1. Which service allows you to run code without provisioning servers? The answer is Azure Functions. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that allows running code without managing servers. Question 2. How are serverless applications scaled in Azure? The answer is automatically by the cloud provider, as serverless applications automatically scale based on demand, without requiring user intervention. Question 3. Which of the following is a benefit of serverless computing? The answer is no need to manage infrastructure, as serverless computing allows developers to focus on code, with the cloud provider managing infrastructure. Question 4. What triggers a serverless function in Azure? The answer is event-based triggers, as serverless functions in Azure are triggered by events such as HTTP requests or file uploads. Question 5. How does Azure handle billing in serverless computing? The answer is billing is based on the number of executions, as serverless computing in Azure bills based on the number of executions and the resources consumed during execution. Question 6. Which Azure service is primarily used for creating serverless APIs? The answer is Azure Functions, as Azure Functions is commonly used to create serverless APIs, triggered by HTTP requests. Question 7. Which scenario best suits serverless computing? The answer is applications with unpredictable workloads, as serverless is ideal for applications that experience variable workloads, scaling automatically with demand. Question 8. How does serverless computing differ from traditional cloud computing? The answer is serverless computing scales automatically, as serverless computing automatically scales based on demand, unlike traditional cloud computing. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of a serverless service in Azure? The answer is Azure Functions, as Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that enables running code without managing the infrastructure. Question 10. How does the serverless model benefit developers? The answer is it reduces complexity in infrastructure management, as serverless computing abstracts infrastructure management, allowing developers to focus solely on code. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe skillr.com.